करीना, दिस वंस फॉर यू. प्लीज हमें बताइए कि अर्जुन के साथ फिल्मिंग के अलावा और कौन कौन सी चीज पे बॉन्ड किया आपने? कपूर खानदान का चिराग, कपूर खानदान की ज्योति हैं? ज्योति बनी ज्वाला हो जाएगा अभी आप.
Sir, you have ruined my career, sir. Sir, officially. He has just called me Kapoor Khandan की ज्योति.
चिराग I called you.
But anyway, you're playing the woman.
हो गया ना? वो तो पिक्चर में है ना?
But I think that the whole idea is everybody's, I think, shocked because it's a very new concept. And of course, हम लोग हमेशा कहते हैं कि कुछ अलग करना चाहिए, कुछ अलग करना चाहिए. जब कुछ अलग करते हैं तो सब चुप हो जाते हैं. क्योंकि then we start thinking कि नहीं ऐसे होना चाहिए था, वैसे होना चाहिए था. But I think that the fact that this is such a brave script, it's something so brave, and the fact that Arjun has done this role is, I think, the bravest decision that he could have taken. Because not many men have the confidence to wear an apron and to stand in that kitchen or to even tell their wife कि घर चलाना है, पैसे दे दो. So that is a very big thing.
Right. And सर दर्द वाला बहाना भी कभी नहीं किया होगा.
हाँ, नहीं, that तो I don't think.
किसी ने नहीं किया होगा. रजित कपूर साहब
तो हम भी नहीं करते हैं.
रजित सर ने एक बहुत अच्छी चीज बोली अर्जुन यहाँ पे कि क्या मर्दानगी चेक करनी है, तो क्या हुआ फिर उसके बाद सीन?
चड्डी चेक कर.
चड्डी चेक कर.
बाथरूम
चेक
में
करके
जाके.
आए हो ना?
हाँ.
नहीं तो you can go
आप
now.
चेक करना चाहोगे चड्डी?
मेरा हो गया, देखा है आपने.
पिक्चर के हिसाब से वही होता है. Well, she says something very important. The problem is everybody in our country has this notion to be a man you need to check what is there below.
Right.
I think to be a true man is to be able to take care of the person that you love in any capacity. It has nothing to do with whether you're bringing the money home. It's about being there as an understanding partner.
Or if you have a six-pack and if you have great biceps.
That notion of being a man is very, very stereotypical, which should be changed. And when he speaks about चड्डी चेक करके, she says exactly that कि मर्दों की प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हमेशा पैंट चेक करनी पड़ती है जानने को कि वो मर्द है या नहीं. It's the actions. It's not because you have something down there that makes you a man. It's what you do as a human being that makes you stand up and be counted for as a man.
हाँ यार, इतनी अच्छी बात कर गए यहाँ पे. मुझे ये बोलें, एक आखिरी सवाल, कभी ऐसा हुआ करीना काम से लौट के आई यारी दोस्ती में एकदम मेरी ज्योति बाहर निकल, कुछ इस टाइप का किया इन्होंने?
चप्पल लाओ.
यार करीना के साथ काम करने का पता है क्या मजा है? इन्होंने जो अभी कहा कि she feels that I've made a very brave. For me, it was an exciting choice to be able to do something that is so drastically different. Like she said कि जाके बोल सके हमने कुछ genuinely इस बार हटके और अलग और different वो context में use कर सकते हैं. When he told me he wants to take her, I just felt this excitement as an actor because I knew she's going to come with the intention to do right for the film. She's not selfish as an actor. She's not selfish as a performer, and she was very, very patient with me. Right. It's not an easy role, and I have this thing where Balki sir is concerned. I try to understand and analyze everything and have these conversations, and he hears me out and then says, "Okay, now do exactly what I told you." So she had to bear with my entire process of trying to be this actor and have conversation. She was very, very patient. She could have been that actor saying, "Yaar, chalo, yaar, karo." She really allowed me to have fun with her without worrying about how much she has done before this. What baggage she carries of being a star. She never ever any day on set allowed me and
That's
him.
That's because I love you, Arjun, yeah, and also because you're a good kisser.
No, but what is really wonderful about the two of them is while he's playing the woman of the house and she's playing the man of the house, there's not one bit of masculinity, what you associate with masculinity in her or femininity in her, femininity in him. I just think but that's I think the film is all about. If you do things that are normally associated with women, you don't become a woman. If you do something that is associated with a man, you don't become a man. You can still be very feminine, very masculine, and easily interchange roles, and the world will be a better place. That's what the film's about.